My father was a restaurateur, but he never let me in the kitchen. He's like, proper young ladies are not allowed in the kitchen. So I was like, really? Okay, I'm Ariana Bundy, and first and foremost, I'm a food lover. My father, after the revolution, went to LA in Beverly Hills and opened another restaurant. I used to sit there in the summers and just watch everything happen. And later on, obviously, when I became a chef, and I'm sure he's in heaven, but I'm sure he'll be very happy now. But that's what I loved. I just loved seeing people's faces, coming in and out, just the interaction, but mainly the kitchen part where people were creating these things and then putting it on the table. Persian cuisine is balance of different flavors as opposed to a lot of spices. It has, think celery with mint in a stew, or think pomegranates and walnuts, or oranges and chicken. And that goes back to thousands of years ago when we had aqueducts. 3,000 years ago, Iranians, Persians built aqueducts throughout the country so they can tap into the water in the middle of the desert. And we created something called yakhchal, which is the first freezer. What you can expect at Ariana's Persian Kitchen is, as you enter a lovely space with domes, as if you're entering an old Persian home. In fact, it's a replica of my home in Kashan with the same domes, sort of color schemes, and I really wanted to bring the guest into Persia. If you can't go to Iran, you might as well bring Iran to you. And so in Ariana's Persian Kitchen, you would expect generosity, hospitality, and amazing food. The one thing that I would want people to try is everything. There is no way I can answer that question.